In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Bluetooth connection problems on your iPhone. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, you might have some connectivity issues on whatever device that you're using, but it might just be down to your phone. So the first thing I want you to do is on the top right, swipe down. It's going to bring up your control panel and just make sure that Bluetooth is actually on. Then from here, you just want to go over to settings, click on Bluetooth, and while it's on, look for your device. And let's say it's still not connecting. Let's say it was, like my living room right here. I would just click that and then I would have to press forget this device. And then once I've forgotten the device and it's in pairing mode again, it's going to be showing up in other devices, and then just try connecting to it again. Now, if that doesn't work, what I want you to do is go into your general tab in your settings, scroll down until you find transfer or reset iPhone. So just press that, and then you're going to see reset towards the very bottom. Then just press reset network settings. Now, bear in mind when you do this, it's going to reset all your Bluetooth, all your saved Wi-Fi passwords and everything like that. So, whatever location you go to, if you had saved Wi-Fi, you're going to have to re-enter those passwords again. But your Bluetooth should be working after that. And the final thing I would recommend is going back over to general, going to software update, and making sure you're on a newer version of iOS. Because if you haven't updated your iOS version in a while, that means your operating system might not be operating, exactly as it should. So you want to make sure that this is updated, restart your phone, and then try connecting to your Bluetooth devices, and you should be good to go.